It can either be
You know,
the end of BJP in Bengal or it can be the end of TMC in Bengal if it plays out one way or the
I wouldn't say it's not the end, it'll be the end. I wouldn't be so sort of black or white. You have to understand that in a state as complex and diverse as Bengal, there is always room for, there's never going to be just DMC and never anything else, right? It doesn't work like that. So there will always be room for, there will always be room for some kind of BJP politics. Now, is that enough to come to power? Never. We don't believe that. But are they going to get 10, 15, 20% of the vote? Yes, they will. They have done that in the past and they will. Are they going to do as well as they did in the last election, which is 60, 70 seats? No, we fundamentally believe they will be below 50 seats this time. We had people coming to us and say, "Ab ke baar to aapka sarkar jana hai, aap log kya kar rahe hai? Ab to BJP aa rahi hai." This time, even within the BJP, that's a foregone conclusion that the TMC is coming back. Even within the BJP, I mean, we have friends, even other MPs from other states are like, "Ab to aa rahe wapis." So I think that is set in goal that the BJP is not coming. Now, whether they get 40 seats or 50 seats in a democracy, we believe they'll get less than 50. But are they going to come down to zero? Certainly not, because this is a democracy and there will always be room for some people who will follow their politics. And that's fine. That's absolutely okay. The issue with the BJP is they are struggling in Bengal because they unfortunately come with this very North Indian aggressive jingoistic idea of Hinduism. And they come and say, okay, you have to have vegetarian, you have to not drink alcohol, you have to say Jai Shri Ram, and this very patriarchal world of Hinduism. We worship Mother Kali. We are a mother goddess cult. So number one, this Jai Shri Ram, even if we say Ram Ram or even we say Ramo Ramo Hare Hare, my grandfather used to say Hare Hare Ramo Ramo Hare Hare. That is sick to the Bengali, but we won't say Jai Shri Ram as a war cry, right? It is very much a sweet, like Jai Siya Ram. All the people from other states who live in Bengal, they will say Jai Siya Ram. There's nothing. My grandfather would say Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare. It's a very sweet thing. It's not that Jai Shri Ram, Bajrang Bali. That's not understood. It's not understood. We have Hanuman also, but Hanuman used to serve Ram. Hanuman, for us, Hanuman was the servitor of Ram. Hanuman was not somebody that you worshipped on his own and kind of, it's a very different concept. So this idea of this North Indian patriarchal Hinduism has not sold in Bengal. They haven't been able to do it. They are going to double down on that. So if by doubling down on that, you are picking on Bengalis, this is backfiring everywhere. Even Bengalis who voted for the BJP can't. I mean, are you going to tell me a Bengali voter in Gurgaon, an educated techie who may well be a BJP voter who's living in Gurgaon? Even I've had people like that writing to me saying, what the hell's going on?